2, 1.
What's rocking, my dude? We will use the Diet Coke and Mentos. My sister is going to be the winner at the end of the science.
3, 2.
Drinking time, baby. And then you know what we do after? We take a drink. That's how you drink.
So to explain why the Diet Coke shoots up into a fountain when you drop the Mentos in, you first have to understand what a Mento looks like. The outside of a Mento is porous. Porous means there are little cavities and pores in the Mento. Since the Diet Coke is carbonated, the carbon dioxide tends to gravitate towards these pores and builds up there. That creates bubbles. Gas is less dense than the Diet Coke. The gas rises to the top and out of the bottle. Imagine thousands of these little cavities multiplied by like 5 Mentos. That means there's a lot of bubbles rising to the top. And it shoots up out of the bottle. Shoots up out of the bottle.
There's some stuff we do have out. You said you meant toe.
The Mento.
Yeah, it's like a toe from Mentos.
No,
From
that's
like
not
gum.
what it means. That does not mean it's a
Like
Mento.
Mentos.
No, it's called a Mento. It
Yes,
doesn't
I got
have
mint on my
It
toe.
doesn't have anything to do with toes. So when you did that, was it fun?
Yeah.
How high do you think it shot up?
Probably 5 feet.
5 feet?
Yeah.
I think like more than 5 feet. I think like 12 feet.
It can't be 12 feet. I didn't even see all of it.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
And ring that bell. Ring that bell! Ring that bell!
See ya!